and burger. You not hesitate. Now you know I'm pregnant, you hesitate.
What you mean after me not sure if I feel me pitney?
What you mean by anybody breed me, you have to take care of me, you know?
Not because me coming at you, you know. No claim say no that, no claim say I'm my pitney, you know.
Are you alone me lie down with me?
Me a look olive oil in this up on the dresser, yeah? Go and use it and fry it. I never me tell you to go grind and can't maintain what in a you. Me tell you, say, go get a work, you know. Go get a work, because me and that bastard child now go work.
Lord God, go with me soon.
How are you?
I can't you me a look pan.
Why?
Could never you me a
Yes, your father tormenty.
Could never she me this.
me or something.
Torment bad.
Where you up on the road?
Daddy, so me can't come out the road again for breeze before where you burn up with iron.
So you see me I go up and down. And you not even move a muscle like you're interested.
Daddy, when me a move, I must my foot hurt me, Daddy.
What that friend I do? Tell you? I will be a show work for you.
Me don't know.
How are you?
Me hungry right now, you know, man.
Ah! What you say?
Me say me hungry.
You hungry? Okay. So you never know say what you have inside you go feed for your liver. Eh? You left her this morning, right? Bright and early. What you tell me say you going to do? You going to look for baby daddy. So baby daddy don't give you no money.
No.
Oh,
Me
see,
say
it's
no,
done.
no.
If you're a company you like, you don't like come here teach you.
So you want to teach me how to be a granny? You want to make me baptize and all of that and all of that? Me don't want to be a granny, Daddy. Me can't bother to stay in. I will sit there and burn up my foot with iron now.
You teach you how to be a what?
A granny. You want me to have Christian friend or whatever. Me I done Christian already. Me don't want a Christian.
So you're not cleansy.
Bad man don't know what. You saw a bad man here? One rifle. Pow! One pit in the belly and no father. Poor pit never born. Ball I wonder grandpa what the daddy there. Never swear to tell him. Your mama go check your daddy and your daddy. Pow! And dump that rock.
Hey, girl.
Then this a girl a real.
Where you hide me, man? That me really.
Hey, girl. Look, girl. Don't come in at me. Look for me. Look. What up? I'm in nation. Yeah. I'm a TB woman. Door, hey, girl. Door.
Girl, yeah.
I'm going to carry them.
Watch it, mama. Watch it.
I want the man.
Watch it,
I
mama.
want this
Hey, boy,
to
watch my boy.
I want this to me.
How that?
When me a order to me, can I pull the door?
So come.
Tell me where to come.
Yo, come here, man.
Soldier this here.
Come here, man.
Your friend me, no, sir. Supposed to give me heart attack.
Come here, man. Come here, son.
Good afternoon, Soji.
Where you come from?
I come from my yard. Where you talking about?
Show you where you come from.
Yeah.
Watch ya! Yeah! Boop, 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 boop. You mean me daughter? Yeah. Soldier man. Welcome, son-in-law. Welcome. Good choice, girl. You see it?
Daddy.
Yo, no, you get ghost
Daddy,
party
stop
for
it,
ghost.
Chill. Make him man talk.
Huh?
Look up in me. Look up in our house for.
No.
Look up in our house for.
Yeah, babe.